Luky Vyhnalek here. Today we'll be doing an insane unboxing, whole new drivetrain, including some grips. This is part 1. It will be 3 parts. Part 1 is the unboxing process, part 2 is the installation, and part 3 will be the review. So stay tuned if you guys want to see them. Anyway, let's hop straight into it. First, we have these jet black grips. I've had a good experience with the jet black grips, so these are the grips I've chosen. They feel pretty comfortable and they look pretty durable. So let's just hope they produce good results on the bike. Next item is a new SuperAir GX chain. I chose this SuperAir GX chain probably mostly because it was only $10 extra than the NX chain. It is a bigger step up with lighter, more durable material and black insides there, giving it a better aesthetic. It will also work nicer with my other items that I have gotten. Let's bust into this and have a look close up. Okay guys, so I've managed to get into it. I can kind of feel grease on it, so that's good that it's come greased. We've got these little instructions and a manual, and here's the chain. I can feel that it's been waxed and it looks really nice straight out of the box. It also came with a master link, but I have a spare golden master link that I'd rather use with this. The master link is right behind here, and I'll show you guys one part. So I think that this chain will be a really good investment to help me progress, make my drivetrain feel crispier, smoother. I can feel the wax on it, so I will not need to lube it before I put it on my bike, which is really good. Next, we have this SuperAir NX chainring. I didn't really see a point in buying the GX one, as they had mainly the same specs. The only difference was a bit bigger tooth size and the material and the weight. So let's crack into this. Open it here and pull this out. So here we have the screws to put it onto my cranks, and here is the chainring. It's pretty big, as you can see, about my hand size. You can see the offset there. It looks pretty nice with the all black, and you can see that it looks very durable. The only downside of this is the weight. That doesn't really bother me. Also, I was quite disappointed as only the bolts and the screws came in a package. I think this should have been wrapped, just to make sure in any shipping nothing had happened. But other than that, I hope this is a worthy investment. Next, we have the big boxes. So, this is the SuperAir GX Lunar derailleur. This was one of the most expensive items, and I'm hoping it really pays out. It's an upgrade of the derailleur that came stock on my bike. I had a SuperAir NX, so you can see this is a GX. GX is the level above NX. I mainly bought this because I really wanted a silent bike, and I had lots of chain slap on my bike. So, by opening the box here, okay, so here it comes with another manual and instructions. Put that to the side. The phone, ready for the grand reveal. So, when you buy a new derailleur, it usually comes with this tool. This tool is used and makes it easier to set the B tension. The B tension is how far away the derailleur sits from the sprockets. Next, we have the actual derailleur. First up, I can see this looks really cool. The upgrade from this than the NX derailleur is it's got sealed bearings in the jockey wheels and better clutch, much harder to move the derailleur, and also it is lighter and more durable. It uses different materials as well. It also looks way slicker with an all black design with the GX written in a glossy finish. So I really hope this makes and helps my bike become more silent. So we'll put this back into the box for now and move on to the last item. The last item is the most expensive and also the biggest. It is the key to having lots of gears. First off, I can tell this box is very big. Let's start opening it. Here we have the SRAM NX cassette. Here we have the manual. The reason I didn't buy the SRAM GX cassette is as it was a lot more expensive and I'm not a full-on downhill rider that needs it. I also would have needed an XD driver adapter on my hub. This would have made it way costlier. That's why I went for what I had stock, but the newer model. So let's try to get this out, nice and careful. Now let's move the box to the side and flip this over. It's really big, taking up nearly 2 of my whole hand. This cassette looks so nice. This should really help with my chain tension. My chain was fully worn and I really needed to get a new cassette. This cassette is really good for the price. I also found that it is a lot better than the SX cassette. So if you're looking for a cheap 12-speed or 11-speed cassette, I think it's more worthy to invest in a SRAM NX cassette than in a SRAM SX cassette. Let's take this off now so we can have a look at the cassette. I've taken the cassette apart now, and as you can see, it's come all in pieces. This is what my driver body looks like. The SRAM GX cassette would not fit on this. Also, during the installation, you have to be careful and put the space on really carefully. Also, you should grease the hub body and make sure there's no rattling noise when putting the cassette on. This is the end piece that locks on and keeps the cassette tight. You need to make sure to tighten this a lot. as if you don't, your bike will have a rattling noise. As you can see, it comes in a lot of pieces. This is the one downside in SRAM cassettes. Shimano's cassettes are in less pieces, sometimes even in one piece. So, there is one big piece which is the 4 easiest gears to pedal in. And as you can see, this in here is what sits on the driver. So if I was to be putting this on my bike and this was the driver, I would find the smallest hole here, mark it, put my finger there, then find it on this piece. It's here. So then we just go and match them up. And so thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe and turn notifications on so you don't miss out the installation process and also the reviews. I'll be doing the most accurate review in an unbiased way as possible. I am not sponsored or anything by any of the producers. So, thank you guys for watching. Really means a lot if you made it this far. Comment unboxing to know if you guys watched to the end. And also, only a small percentage of you guys are subscribed. So, make sure that's not you, and go check down below if your subscribe button is red. If it is, please hit it and make it turn white. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and stay gnarly.